What's up, guys? I'm gonna give you guys a quick install video today. I got the Klock Werks color flare fairing for the Lowrider ST. I got an 8-inch bronze just because I feel like the bronze will go with my bike the best. And I haven't really done a bike update in a while, so let me just go over what's new on the bike. So I got the thrashing bag, thrashing tool pouch, the DMR Death Metal Racing 10-inch risers, of course, the Heart Luck ODI grips. We got the Bung King dual crash bar in the front and the rear right here. This replaces your passenger pegs. I got the custom Born Scum Saddleman with the gripper on the back, the brown on brown leather. And then actually right now I'm trying out the Thrashin' Essential V3, I believe, saddlebags, just for a different look. Really no legitimate reason. I just want to try a different look on the bike. Why not? I got the chrome lay down license plate cover, Robert Becker Designs seat lock with the Saddleman chrome tab, security tab. I got the Speed Kings Cycle fuel cap, which I'm probably gonna change because, as you can see, it's kind of like almost looks maroon or something. It's supposed to be black, so yeah, not really rocking with that. But yeah, the regular fairing gotta go. This fairing, I'm sorry Harley, this fairing sucks. It doesn't really block any of the wind. I'm 5'9". With my riding boots or cowboy boots, I'm 5'10". And this does nothing for the wind for me. The wind's hitting me straight in the helmet, straight in the face. Doesn't really do anything. So hopefully this Klock Werks does the trick. And I know that with the 6-inch seems to not really do anything for people. So hopefully the 8-inch, I think the 10-inch just looks too tall on the bike. Just looks goofy. I think the 8-inch is kind of going to be the medium, you know, the golden spot. Yeah, I flipped down my mirrors, by the way, because I just like the way it looks. I got the quad lock moto. Yeah, the bike's coming along. I'm not going to do much more to the bike, just little things from here. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing for this. So as you can see, Fxlrst model year 22 plus, flare, 8-inch color, bronze. And like I said, I just got the bronze, the brown thing going on with the brown on the handle bag, the brown on the handlebar grips, I think, plus the brown on the seat. I think it's gonna look cool. I put bronze instead of black, you know. So yeah, let me open this because I'm not gonna be able to do it on camera. Okay, so now we got that open. Let's see what is in the box. So here's the fairing itself. Ooh, a little rough there, and just some instruction manual. But let's see, let's try our best not to scratch this anyway. But so you're gonna have to get it open. So this video will be posted before Kernville in California. So if you're gonna be at the Builtwell event, Kernville, and you recognize me on my bike, hit me up, say what's up. I'd appreciate it. Let me get this plastic off. Okay, so basically this just says, you know, take care of this windshield, clean it with their cleaner, or else you're gonna void the warranty. To do the install, I have my drill here with an attachment with a T27 Torx bit, and there's literally just 6 of these. I'll just do them on camera. It'll be fast. Just undoing. Oh, that one wanted to come with me. And just grab some Loctite while you're at it. There's no harm. That one was pretty tight for some reason. But okay. Now we're just going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you guys noticed that there's like no videos on these Klockwerk frames really on it on YouTube? That's why I wanted to put one, because I like watching reviews before I buy it, and this had like none. So yeah, I was over it, that's for sure. So let's see, this whole thing wants to come off here. Let me see. So it seems like there's a little rubber band, and there's the grommets on the windshield. So let's see. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to transfer over these grommets from here to the new windshield. So that's gonna be tedious. I'm gonna do that off camera. Give me a sec. All right, guys, just install those rubber grommets on the new windshield. I just want to show you on the fairing itself, there's this like rubber strip. But yeah, so just put this on and put the screws back in. Come on, self-explanatory. All right, so you put the bolts back in, and I just throw a little bit of Loctite on them, and it was good. So let's take this plastic off and see what we're dealing with the fairing. So this is actually my bad, because the sun is going down a little bit, so you can't really see the color. Oh, that was my bad. The camera actually died, so I had to go charge it. But let's see. It's hard to tell in the evening. Here's the. Can you see the difference between the black and the bronze? So it's slight. It definitely, in the sun, it's much more of a difference. But you can kind of see, tell. You can see the difference. There's the black and there's the bronze. I'm gonna throw another sticker on the new windshield. But yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. It actually looks pretty killer. Killer flare on that thing. Yeah, it looks good. So really, next test is gonna see how it performs on with the wind. I assume much better. But let me show you the stock one. Try not to scratch this when I do it, but we can kind of see. So the Klock Werks, as you can see, longer on the sides, it seems. Taller for sure. That flare definitely adding a good amount of height to that. So it might just be enough to do the trick. Get the wind over the helmet. And yeah. But it looks dope. That Klock Werks logo, I think everybody agrees Klock Werks logo is pretty sick. So yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you're gonna be at Kernville, hit me up. If you see me there, and yeah, I hope you appreciate the video. This is Klock Werks. Yeah, peace out.